Well, let's get to the phones. We've got our first caller,
right.
and it's Jan who's holding for us from Warner Robins. Hi, Jan.
Hi.
Hey, Jan.
How are y'all doing, ladies and gentlemen?
We are
Wonderful.
doing well.
Good.
Thanks
How
for
are you
asking.
doing? Well.
And what's your question for
Yeah.
us tonight?
My question tonight is, I'm a grandparent, and I was wanting to know, like, what are our rights for our grandkids? Like when, two toxic parents get a divorce, and the child is like in the middle, and the grandparents is just there on the sideline looking. And I just wanted to know what are our rights to help our grandkids.
Yeah, there are a lot of
Absolutely.
grandparents in that situation.
Absolutely,
nowadays.
absolutely. And we've had judges say, sometimes it's better for the grandparents to have custody. I'm sorry you're in that situation. What I would say is that you should explore your options about having either custody of your grandchildren, guardianship, temporary or permanent, or if you want to, have just visitation with the grandchildren. That's something you want to consult an attorney about. If you want custody, meaning you want to step into the place as the parent, you're going to have to sue the parents for custody because the both of you can't have say-so over the children at the same time. That may involve a conversation with your family beforehand. It may involve just filing the case and suing them and seeing how everything pans out in court. So you would know that situation. But I would definitely strongly suggest, again, like I mentioned with the first email question, having your ducks in the row with whatever evidence you have to show why the parents shouldn't have custody and why the children would be better off with you and in your care.
The test is the best interest of the child, even in that context.
Exactly. Well, actually, for grandparents, it's not just the best interest of the child. You have to be able to show that the children would be harmed if custody were not awarded to you.
Okay.
So the standard is higher for grandparents because you're wresting the legal rights of the
taking
parents
away the
away
parents,
from the parents. Exactly. Exactly.
All right. Thanks for that question, Jan.
Thanks,
And we're
Jan.
gonna